Tracking your expenses doesn't have to mean downloading another app. If you prefer keeping things simple, offline, and distraction-free, this video will show you exactly how to track your spending using basic tools you already have. No subscriptions, no notifications, just clarity. First, pick your method. You can use a small notebook, a printed spreadsheet, or even a simple notebook page divided into columns. The key is consistency, not perfection. Just choose one place where all your expenses will live. Next, create 4 basic columns: date, description, category, and amount. That's it. Keep it clean and readable. For example, if you buy groceries, write the date, groceries, the category, food, and the amount spent. Now here's the important part. Record your expenses daily. Don't wait until the end of the week. The moment you spend money, or at least at the end of the day, write it down. It only takes a minute and it prevents guesswork later. If you want extra control, try the envelope method. Label physical envelopes for categories like food, transport, and bills. Put your planned cash for the month inside each one. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category. Once a week, review everything. Add up each category and look at where your money actually went. This is where the real awareness happens. You might notice small daily purchases adding up more than expected. Finally, keep your expense tracker somewhere visible, on your desk or inside your wallet. The more you see it, the more mindful you become. Simple systems work best because they're easy to maintain. And that's how you track your expenses without using any apps. Simple tools, daily habit, weekly review, that's all you need. Try it for 30 days and see the difference.